Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring the brand new IKEA 2025 Fall Collection in Canada. Grab your pumpkin spice latte and let's go window shopping together. So as we enter the store, we see this beautiful rattan desk and storage unit. This sturdy table withstands coffee spills and intense work, made of natural fibers that ages beautifully and helps channel energy into your hobbies and side projects. This year, IKEA is going bold and playful with bright stripes, patterns, and layered textiles. Check out this striped orange and white canopy bedding set. It feels fun, cozy, and perfect for fall. The paper lanterns hanging above give such a whimsical touch, making the space warm and inviting. You'll also find duvet covers, throw blankets, pillows, and rugs in shades of burnt orange, mustard yellow, deep green, and earthy neutrals, all colors that scream fall. IKEA has a way of mixing cozy comfort with affordability, so you can completely refresh your bedroom without spending too much. Fall also means back to school season, and IKEA has a whole section dedicated to it, from desks and ergonomic chairs to mirrors, storage bins, and organizers. Everything is designed to help create a stylish and functional study space. If you're decorating a dorm room, refreshing your kids' study area, or even upgrading your own home office, these pieces make organization simple and affordable. IKEA has introduced some eye-catching sofas this season. Look at the red, blue, and yellow modular couches. They're playful, bold, and perfect if you want to brighten up your space. For those who prefer something more subtle, there are also classic neutral tones, beige, grays, and earthy slip covers that pair beautifully with seasonal decor. Moving into the dining and kitchen section, IKEA has rolled out new tableware, seasonal serveware. I love how they've incorporated fall prints and pumpkin-inspired accessories, perfect for entertaining during Thanksgiving or cozy family dinners. Their placemats, ceramic dishes, candle holders add just the right amount of seasonal charm while staying practical for everyday use. Now let's peek at the Halloween collection. These black pumpkin lanterns with glowing orange details are such a fun twist on the classic look. Modern, minimal, but still spooky. There are also playful wall hangings with spider webs and bats, which are perfect if you want to decorate without going over the top. IKEA makes it easy to bring the festive spirit into your home at prices that won't scare you. And finally, let's take in the rest of the fall decor. You'll find autumn leaf garlands, candles, vases, and small seasonal accents that instantly warm up your home. These little touches bring fall vibes without overwhelming your space. And they're budget friendly, so you can swap them out when the season changes. IKEA always finds the balance between function, style, and affordability, which is why I love coming here every season. So that's the full walkthrough of the IKEA Fall Collection here in Canada. From cozy bedding and bold sofas to study essentials, dining decor, and festive Halloween finds. There's something for everyone this season. Tell me in the comments which section was your favorite. I'd love to know what you're adding to your shopping list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my seasonal shopping tours. Thanks so much for watching and happy fall decorating, friends.